My name is Tiana. Welcome to my channel. And I'm going to show you the stuff I got from Luxury. I think it's Darius Luxury. I think I'm saying it right. If not, I'm sorry. Got it for my girl, you know. I bought some stuff and I won some stuff from a giveaway. Plus a little bit in like the Christmas box that she has right now. This is the box that came in. It should still be, she should still have more. I think by the time you see this video, you need to place your orders like ASAP because Christmas is almost here, bitch. It's almost here, so get your stuff, okay? So I'm gonna open up the box. The box is very cute. I got a whole bunch of goodies. I already opened it, so don't mind the mess because I was just curious. Okay, so the first thing I got, let me show you the stuff that I bought. Oh shit, everything is like falling out. Oh, so I bought a lip liner. Love the packaging. Let me flip it this way. In the shade, what shade did I get this in? Where's the paper? I don't know what shade I got this in. It's like a pink. Oh, in Forbidden. It's like a pink liner. So cute. So cute. And then, this is the liner. I have the liner on right now. It's so bomb, so easy to use. That's a felt tip. Boom. So bomb. Definitely, you guys should definitely buy it. And then, oh, and I also got a keychain. Where is it at? This is the keychain. I put it on my AirPods. You get to pick out which keychain and what. Well, you could get it itself, or you could just get the one with the lip gloss. It came with, I think it comes by itself, or it comes with a lip gloss. That I'm not sure. But this is what the keychain I picked out. Anybody who knows me knows I love leopard print, and I thought this was so cute. And then this is the gloss. I use the gloss like every day, and it's so bomb. But I just love how like it's easy for me to know, like, keep a track of my AirPods and my gloss because I stay losing my gloss somewhere, and this comes in handy. Okay, so that's everything I bought. Now I'm gonna show you the stuff I got in the giveaway, and like inside the Christmas box. Okay, ooh, my lace. Okay, so I got these cute little earrings. I live for it. I'm gonna try to put them on, you know. Me and earrings are just like a no-go, but I can't wear it like for that long, like outside, but I could wear it for like pictures and stuff. I'm not even gonna put the back piece on. Okay. Let's see. Just so you guys can get the full effect. I haven't worn earrings in so long. Oh my goodness. Oh, who is that? Oh, look how cute these earrings are. Oh yeah, and I'm giving you guys like holiday festive vibes. Like, I'm a gingerbread. So that's cute. Then I'm gonna show you the lashes I got. Tori Bella's lashes I have in the style Drama. So cute. This is her Instagram and her email if you guys want to like follow her. These lashes are pretty. Another one of hers in the style Fabulous. So gorgeous. Then I have Blue Sugar Lash in the style Hustle. Can you guys see it? It's so pretty. then I have another one, I guess from the same company, in ice. So cute. Now, she gave me some of her business cards. I have like so many of them. I do hand them out at work every time somebody asks me what lashes am I wearing. The business card is so cute. Today I'm not wearing her lashes. Normally I wear her lashes in in the style spicy. I love that lash. Like, that lash just makes me look like a bad bitch. But this time I'm wearing one of my friend's lashes. She doesn't have a website anymore. She used to sell lashes, but not anymore. So I still wear them from time to time. Then I just show all the lashes I have. Then I had Jave. No, I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna just show you. I'm not even gonna try to attempt, but look how cute these lashes are. It's so cute. It's from the birthday collection. Adorable. I love the packaging. Then we have the lash trio. I love these lashes. Like, there's some simple ones in here and there's some dramatic ones, which I am here for. And it comes with the lash like applier thing, which is really good for people that have trouble putting on lashes using like their hand. This is like the regular tweezers. Like, these like really hold on the lash. Then I have another one. I don't know what style this is in. Does it say? I don't think it said. No, it doesn't say it. But the packaging is cute. Look for it. Let me take it out like this. There you go. And her lashes is very lightweight. Like, sometimes I forget that I have her lashes on. That's how good the lashes are. Then I have another one from Chanty Lash Couture. So if I lose one, I have another one. I have a backup one. I doubt that I'll lose it, but just in case, I have a backup. Then I have another gloss. Look how cute this is. It's like a popsicle. Like, it's just so adorable. And you just twist it like this. It looks like this. And it smells so good. Like, I wish you guys could like smell it. You like swatch it. It's like so pretty, so shiny. Yeah, I'm like obsessed with her glosses. She also added in a little candy cane for me. I love candy canes. They're so cute. And then I got a hairpin. This says Kiss. I can put it on. Let's see. Put it this way so they can see it. There we go. Ooh, we a bad bitch. Okay. Then the last thing that's in the makeup box is Queen Bee Cosmetics palette. This palette is so cute. It comes with a mirror and three glitters, which is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it. Do it this way. Look how pretty this is. I am obsessed. I can't wait to play with this palette. Like, these shades are like really, really gorgeous. But yes, that's it of the end of the haul. I'm gonna definitely do I'm gonna definitely like recreate this look I did, because I know some of you guys probably want to see it how I did it. And yeah, oh my god, man down, earring fell. Let me put that bitch back on. Oop, there we go. And yeah, follow me in all my social medias down below, subscribe for more videos, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.